Good morning guys, I am Sunil and this is MS classes. So guys, today I am here to teach you graph of a linear equations. Guys, you everybody knows what is linear equation. A linear equation is that having degree 1 on the variable, right? Now we have to plot a graph of a linear equation in two variables, right? So this is your chapter, graph of linear equation in two variable, chapter number 4, exercise 4.3. This is your first question. Your linear equation in two variable is x plus y is equal to 4. Guys, in last class we discussed about how to find out the solution of this linear equation, right? First of all, we will find the solution and then make a Cartesian plane and plot that points on the Cartesian plane. So let's make, first of all, your question number first, this is x plus y is equal to 4. First of all, we have to take one x or one variable to left and second whole thing toward the right. So this is x is equal to 4 minus y, because when y goes to right side from left, sign will change. So this is your first equation, right? Now you have to find out the three solution. You have to put the value of one variable is 0, 1 and 2, right? So put y is equal to 0 in equation number 1. We get x is equal to 4 minus y. Y means 0. This is equal to 4. So x comma y is equal to, your value of x is 4 and value of y is 0. So this is your first coordinate. Now put y is equal to 1 in equation first. We get x is equal to 4 minus y. Y is 1 and this is equal to 4 minus 1, 3. Therefore x comma y is equal to 3 comma 1. This is your second coordinate. Now put y is equal to 2 in equation 1. We get x is equal to 4 minus 2. This is 4 minus 2, 2, right? This is x comma y and this is 2 comma 2. So we have three coordinates. Now we have to make a table of value x and y. So this one is x comma y. First, the value of x comma y is 4 comma 0. X comma y in second coordinate, this is 3 comma 1 and then 2 comma 2. So this is the solution of your question. Now we have to make a linear equation graph, right? This is the important part. So hold the value of x and y will positive, so we need only first quadrant, okay? So this is a Cartesian plane on which we plot the graph. So value of x, this is maximum 4, so we need 4 points. So this is 1, 2, 3 and 4 at equal distance. This is 0, this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, okay? This is x and this is x dash. This one is y and this is y dash or minus y. X toward left is negative, x toward down is, sorry, y toward down is a negative. Now equal points at equal distance toward positive y, this is plus 1 2, 3 and 4. So your guys, your first point, this is a 4 comma 0. The value of x is 4 and value of y is a 0. So this is first point, a 4 comma 0. Right. Second point is x is 3, y is 1. So x is 3, y is 1. You have to plot the perpendicular on 3, that is value of x, and again plot the perpendicular on y, that is 1. Here both meet. This is the point B and this is 3 comma 1. Right. Now your third point is, that is C. So this is 2 comma 2. Now make a perpendicular on 2 toward positive direction, and this perpendicular meet the next, that is again 2. Right. So this is the third point C, and coordinate of C is a 2 comma 2. Now we join these 3 points. Which points? This one, right, this one and this. We have to join these 3 points A, B and C with the help of a pencil or scale. So this is your line which passes through, and this line is linear equation. This is x plus y is equal to 4, and this is your solution. Right. So you have to plot the graph like this. This is question number first, exercise 4.3. Very most important question. You have to try this type of question. Now we will take one more question from the exercise. This is second question. This is y is equal to 3x. Right. So y is equal to 3x. This is next question. So this is one another part of question number first. Your linear equation is y is equal to 3x. Now guys, you see toward left side you have only y, and toward right side you have a 3x. So you need write only equation number 1. Put x is equal to 0 in equation 1. We get y is equal to 3 into 0 is equal to 0. So x comma y, this is your coordinate, is 0 comma 0. This is first coordinate. Now put x is equal to 1 in equation first. We get y is equal to 3 into 1 is equal to 3. So second coordinate is 1 comma 3. Right. Now you need 3 coordinates. Your third coordinate, you put x is equal to 2 in equation first. We get y is equal to 3 into 2. This is equal to 6. So your coordinate is x comma y is equal to, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 6. So now you make a table of your coordinate with value x and y. So this is x and y. In first, value of x and y is 0, 0, 0. Second, value of x and y is 1, 3. In third, value of x and y is 2, 6. Right. This is the solution of your equation. Now you have to plot and you have to make a graph paper with respect to these coordinates. Now you again see these all are positive, so you need only first quadrant. This is y and this is x. This one is 0. This is minus y, y dash. This is x or x dash. Now this is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 points at equal distance on x-axis. Similarly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 points at equal distance on y-axis. This is origin 0. Now your first point is 0, 0. So this is your first point and this one is a 0, 0. So coordinate of A, that is 0, 0. This is origin itself, right? And second is 3, 1, 3. So value of x is 1 and value of y is a 3. So you need to plot the perpendicular or to draw the perpendicular at x, that is 1, and x y, that is 3. So this is your second point, 1, 3. This is B. Now your third coordinate, this is 2, 6 and 2 and 6. You have to draw the perpendicular at 2 on x-axis and at 6 on y-axis. Where these two perpendicular meet, this is your point C, and coordinate of C are 2, 6. Alright. Now guys, you have to join these 3 points. So this is your first point, this is your second point, right, and this is your origin or A, third point. Now join these 3. This is your straight. Every time these lines will be straight line. Okay. So this line is linear equation y is equal to 3x, and this is your solution. So guys, this is one of the most important question you have to solve or you have to try on your notebook, right? So guys, I hope you have been understand the topic, and at your home today at least 2 questions on your graph paper you have to solve, right? So thank you, have a nice day.